Recently, Axios reported that the national rate of the 988 suicide and prevention calls answered is about 90%.
However, Axios says Nevada's rate is only 63%. It calls it the worst answer rate in the entire country. Michaela Hardy joins us live in the newsroom after speaking with the Nevada Division of Public and Behavioral Health. Michaela, let's start with how this hotline works.
Well, Kristen, it's been almost 2 years since Nevada has implemented the 988 hotline. And since then, the organization says they have been really focused on building the call line first because of how big the role it plays in saving people's lives.
The crisis response system is built into 3 main sections. There's somewhere to call, somewhere one to respond, and somewhere to go. We believe that through data that 90% of the calls that come into the call center can be de-escalated right there with the phone call.
As of right now, Bennett says they have about 35 staff members answering the phone calls. If a 988 call is not answered by our local call center, it is immediately redirected to a national backup ran by the Substance Abuse Mental Health Services Administration to ensure the caller gets immediate help. Last month, Nevada received over 4,100 calls. Over 2,600 were answered in-state, about 900 were answered out of state, and over 600 calls were dropped before a counselor could answer the call. Bennett says they're currently waiting for a contract to be approved in order to look into and improve their call center.
Earlier this year, we released a request for a proposal that went out, and we are waiting. We're in negotiations right now. We're waiting to get that contract executed. Hopefully in the next few months, we'll be able to execute that, and hopefully we'll see those rates go up.
If you or someone you know needs help, do not hesitate to reach out and call the suicide hotline by dialing 988. Bennett says if you're interested in helping answer calls, you can reach out to the Nevada Division of Public and Behavioral Health to learn more. Covering the story, Michaela Hardy, 2 News Nevada.